western Ohio's rich farming belt. Near the headwaters of the Sandusky River lies the friendly, beautiful and industrious community of Upper Sandusky. The town was laid out in 1843 and incorporated shortly thereafter, but its beginning is revealed by its many historical landmarks, dates back to the early 1780s. It was originally the home of the Wyandot Indians, from whom it received its name. Sandusky meaning water within pools, and Upper denotes its location on the Sandusky River. When Colonel William Crawford, a boyhood friend of George Washington, set out with orders to push the Indians out of their settlement at the present site of Upper Sandusky, this very community was the seat of government for the Wyandot Indian Nation, and their council house was located on the hill adjoining the present Harrison Smith Park location. Battle Island Monument just north of town marks the spot where Crawford and his small band of volunteers fought a losing battle with the combined Indian and British forces in 1782. It was at Upper Sandusky where the first Christian mission for the Indians was established in 1816 by John Stewart, the father of Methodist Episcopal missions. The Wyandot Mission Church was built in 1824 by Reverend Finley and was restored in 1889 and is now situated in the old mission cemetery grounds where many of the Indian graves are found. Also in this cemetery is the famous headstone publicized by Ripley and bearing the date of February 31st, 1869. Upper Sandusky Reservoir 1 is an impoundment that was built in 1957 in order to provide water to the city of Upper Sandusky. Water is obtained primarily by pumping from the Sandusky River, which is located east of the reservoir. Upper Sandusky 2 is an upground reservoir. Water is obtained by pumping from the Sandusky River, which is located about 1 mile west of the reservoir. The reservoir, designed to provide water to the city of Upper Sandusky, was completed and filled in 2002. Upper Sandusky reservoirs are on the tributary to Sandusky River in Wyandot County, Ohio. Construction was completed in 1957. It has a normal surface area of 38 acres. It is owned by the city of Upper Sandusky. Upper Sandusky Reservoir Dam is of earth in construction. Its height is 31 feet with a length of 1,600 feet. Maximum discharge is 1,650 cubic feet per second. Its capacity is 850 acre-feet. Normal storage is 455 acre-feet. It drains an area of 1.51 square miles. Upper Sandusky Reservoir 1 is located in central Wyandot County on the southeastern edge of the city of Upper Sandusky. The main parking area and the boat ramp can be reached by taking Reservoir Road off of East Wyandot Avenue. Upper Sandusky Reservoir 2 is located in central Wyandot County on the southeastern edge of the city of Upper Sandusky. The main entrance is off of Country Road 60B, and the boat ramp and main parking area are located on the southern side of the reservoir. Upper Sandusky Reservoir Trail is a 3.2-mile lightly traffic loop trail located near Upper Sandusky, Ohio that features a lake and is good for all skill levels. The trail offers a number of activity options and is accessible year-round. Dogs are also able to use this trail but must be kept on leash. There are many places to pull off and dip your bait at the Upper Sandusky Reservoir. There are also docks where you can launch a boat. No motors are allowed on the boats here. From RT-23 take route 330, Wyandot Ave West. Drive about 1.5 to 2 miles and make a left on Reservoir Road. There will be a sign, "Follow Reservoir Road," to the park entrance at 104 Reservoir Road. Upper Sandusky Reservoir Species List. According to the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, Upper Sandusky Reservoir contains numerous species of popular fish. So, what type of fish are in Upper Sandusky Reservoir? You can find channel catfish, bluegill, largemouth bass, bullhead, white crappie, and black crappie on these waters.